I'm Mia, your American English coach.
I am Leo. Still trying to sound like one.
On English with Mia and Leo! Last episode, we talked about meeting someone for the first time.
Right. The small talk. The what brings you here. All of it.
Today, we're going one step further.
Introducing yourself. Like actually saying who you are.
Because, hi, I'm Leo is easy. It's what comes after that trips people up.
Oh, don't remind me.
Don't worry. By the end of this episode, you'll be able to introduce yourself without sounding like you're reading off a resume.
And remember,
Don't just listen.
speak with us. The introduction. Oh, hey, are you new here?
Yeah, today's my first day.
Nice. Welcome. I'm Leo. I'm on the design team.
Nice to meet you, Leo. I'm Mia.
So, what are you going to be doing here?
I'm joining marketing. Still learning where everything is, honestly.
Same. And I've been here 2 years.
That's comforting.
Where do you work before this?
I was at a smaller agency downtown. Wanted something a bit bigger.
Makes sense. Well, welcome aboard.
Thanks. I'm sure I'll see you around.
Definitely. Good luck today.
Let's talk about it.
Okay, that was so casual. No resume, no life story.
Exactly. That's the biggest mistake learners make. They think introducing yourself means giving your full background. Name, job title, city, degree, hobbies, all in one breath.
Guilty.
Americans don't do that. A first introduction is short, 1 or 2 lines max. I'm Mia. I'm on the design team. I just started today. That's it. You add more only if they ask.
So what if someone says, "Tell me about yourself"?
That question scares everyone. But the trick is, keep it short and let them steer. Tell me about yourself. Sure, I'm Mia. I just moved here from Boston and I'm working in marketing now. 1 sentence, job plus 1 personal detail. Then stop.
That's it? Not the whole life story?
Nobody wants the whole life story in the first 30 seconds. If they're interested, they'll ask a follow-up. That's when you say more.
What about talking about your job? I always feel like I'm boring people.
That's real. So Americans keep it light, even a little funny sometimes. I'm in marketing. I do something with spreadsheets. I still can't fully explain it to my mom. I'm a graphic designer. I make things look pretty for a living. A little humor makes you sound relaxed, not stiff.
Okay, what about where you're from? Sometimes that feels awkward too.
Good one. There's actually a difference between 2 phrases. I'm from Spain, where you grew up. I'm originally from Spain, but I live in Chicago now. You moved. Americans almost always add the second part if they moved. It keeps the conversation going instead of ending it.
What if you're introducing yourself to a whole group, not just one person?
Same idea. Shorter, actually. Hey everyone, I'm Leo. I just joined the team. Hi all, Mia here. I'll be working with you guys on the campaign. No long speeches. Groups move fast. Say your name, say why you're there, done.
And texting or email? Like, if I message someone I've never met.
Same rule. Short and warm. Hey, this is Leo from the design team. Nice to meet you.
Wait, e-meet?
Yep, it means meeting someone online instead of in person. Americans say it all the time now.
Huh, I like that one.
One more thing, self-deprecating humor. Americans love it in introductions. I'm Mia. I'm new, so please be patient with me. I'm Leo. I've been here 2 years and I still get lost in this building. It makes you sound human, not perfect. People relax around you faster.
So basically, short, 1 detail, maybe a little joke, and let them ask more.
Exactly. That's the whole formula. Shadowing practice. Great job! Let's finish with shadowing. Repeat after me. Copy my rhythm.
Ready?
Let's do it. Introducing yourself. I'm Mia. I just started today. I'm on the design team. I'm originally from Spain, but I live in Chicago now. Talking about work. I'm in marketing. I do something with spreadsheets, honestly. Group introductions. Hey everyone, I just joined the team. Hi all, I'll be working with you guys on this. A little humor. I'm new, so please be patient with me. I still get lost in this building. Awesome! Thanks for speaking with us today.
Remember, fluency doesn't come from just listening, it comes from speaking.
So keep practicing, keep speaking,
And remember, subscribe our channel.
and we'll see you in the next episode of English with Mia and Leo.